So many enemies acting like they friends with me. They want me out the game, plotting ways to injure me. No, they cannot pick up my frequency. I'm too far up out of reach. I'm too far out of reach. Yeah. I'm the nigga all these niggas wanna be. All these niggas see me, man, they recognize the king. King of the ice cream, trapping methamphetamine, cleaning holes on my team. Them niggas wanna kill the king. They didn't know I had all these enemies. They want my spot, I need my enemy. Fuck my bitch to injure me. Didn't recognize a bitch. Just you thought she was on my team, now you fucked the bitch. Still can't take her from Rick. I'm really thinking around that bitch. Nigga, you can't take my crown. You act like you're my round, but you kick me when I'm down. Sneak this when I ain't around. This stick hold 100 rounds. Keep my name about your mouth. Stop imitating my style. I mean, them girls going wild. It's expected in this lifestyle. I have no love for a bitch. That shit done, nigga, is over. These niggas swear they sleep. Gotta fuck behind Rick. I ain't mad at that guy, nigga. Or the bitch. Cause I'm the one who linked them up when I tried to quit. And now I'm back from rehab. Came back and relapsed. Gave you my number. And you ain't even down. So many enemies acting like they friends with me. They want me at the game, plotting ways to injure me. But they can't pick up my frequency. I'm too far up out of reach. Yeah, feel like it's hard to walk, like it's hard to talk, like it's hard to breathe. I ain't know I had so many enemies. I don't like they friend with me. They want me out the game. Plotting ways to injure me. Can't pick up my frequency. Man, I'm too far up out of reach. Speak a different galaxy. They're like it's around the street. And I already see G and poppin' 4G. But your words I see transparently. I'm thinking 2033. Where I wanna go and where I'm trying to be. Gotta give me a victory. No more defeats, man, I need a winning streak. I stay up on my feet, practice what I preach. Take care of those who take care of me. Cause if it weren't for them, I wouldn't be life again, baby. If it weren't for them, I wouldn't be life again, baby. I swear. So many enemies acting like they friends with me. They want me out the game, plotting ways to injure me. So many enemies acting like they friends with me. They want me out the game, plotting ways to injure me. But they can't pick up my frequency. Cause I'm too far away. So many enemies